My beloved brothers and sisters, when someone asks me why I wear the hijab, the very first reason that comes to my heart is obedience to Allah. For me, the hijab is not just a piece of cloth, it is an act of worship. It is a physical expression of my submission to the Creator who knows me better than I know myself. When Allah commands something in the Quran, it is not a burden, it is an honor. He does not ask us to do anything without wisdom behind it, and even if my mind cannot always grasp every detail of that wisdom, my heart finds peace in knowing that He is Al-Hakim, the All-Wise. Wearing the hijab is my way of saying, Ya Allah, I hear you and I obey. It reminds me every single day that my life is not about chasing trends, fitting into every fashion, or living up to society's expectations. My life is about pleasing the one who created me, who blessed me with everything I have, and who will one day call me back to Him. That moment of standing in front of my Lord is what drives me to follow His commands in this life, and when I put on the hijab, I know I am fulfilling one of those commands, and that gives me an unshakable sense of contentment. You see, sometimes people think obedience means restriction, but in reality it is the opposite. Real freedom is found in worshipping Allah alone and being free from the endless pressure of pleasing people. When I wear the hijab, I am no longer chained by society's definition of beauty. I do not feel the need to compete with others or expose myself to gain validation. Instead, I feel elevated because I know I am fulfilling a divine command that is far greater than human approval. There are days when it is challenging, I will not deny that. We live in a world where modesty is often misunderstood, where covering is sometimes seen as oppression. But that is when I remind myself that even the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions faced struggles in following Allah's commands. What kept them firm was their trust in Allah's promise that whoever obeys Him will never be at loss. So I choose to be steadfast, knowing that every difficulty endured for His sake carries reward. As I stand before people and explain this, I remember that obedience is not blind, it is a conscious, loving choice. Just like we follow instructions from doctors because we trust their knowledge, we follow Allah because His knowledge is perfect, His care is unmatched, and His guidance leads only to success. It is about faith. And faith is not something we wear only when it is easy. It is something we live by even when it challenges us. And so when I wear the hijab, I wear it first and foremost because Allah has asked me to, and there is nothing more beautiful than living in obedience to the one who created me. When I think about the hijab, one of the most powerful meanings it carries for me is identity and dignity. The hijab is not just about what I wear, it is about who I am. It is a clear statement that I am a Muslim, that I belong to a faith that values modesty, respect, and honor. In a world where so many people are struggling to find their identity, the hijab gives me a sense of certainty. It is my badge of faith, my flag of dignity, and my shield of strength. When I step out wearing my hijab, I know immediately that people recognize me for my beliefs before anything else. They see that I am a woman of Islam, and that brings with it a sense of pride and belonging. It connects me with millions of sisters across the world who share this same symbol. Even if I don't know their names or their languages, we share this identity. It unites us as one Ummah, as followers of the same Quran and the same Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that unity is empowering. The hijab also gives dignity because it allows me to decide how I am seen. In a society where so many women are judged by their appearance, where value is often placed on physical beauty, the hijab shifts the focus. It tells the world, look at my mind, my character, my actions, not just my body. That is dignity. It is the kind of respect that every woman deserves, to be appreciated for her worth as a human being, not for how closely she fits into someone else's standard of beauty. Some people may ask, don't you feel different wearing it? Yes, I do feel different, but not in a negative way. I feel distinct, I feel honored, and I feel elevated. My difference is my strength. I don't need to blend into every crowd because my purpose in life is not to disappear, but to stand proudly as a Muslima. And with my hijab, I carry that purpose visibly and unapologetically. It is something you claim for yourself through the way you live. The hijab is part of that claim. It teaches me to walk with self-respect, to know my worth, and to never compromise on the values Allah has given me. At times, people may misunderstand this choice, and that is okay, because identity is not built on pleasing others. It is built on standing firm in who you are, even when the world questions you. For me, the hijab is my identity marker, my sign of dignity, and my declaration of faith. And I would not trade that for anything. That is why when I wear the hijab, I do so with pride, because it carries my faith, my honor, and my dignity. When I wear the hijab, one of the strongest reasons in my heart is modesty and purity. The hijab is not simply about covering, it is about guarding something precious. Allah has given women beauty, and with that beauty comes responsibility. Just like we protect valuable treasures from being exposed to anyone and everyone, the hijab is my way of protecting myself, not because I am ashamed, but because I recognize my worth. Modesty is not weakness, it is strength. It is the ability to say, I choose what I reveal and I choose it for the sake of Allah. Purity is not only about the physical body, it is also about the heart and the soul. The hijab constantly reminds me to live with clean intentions, to keep my gaze lowered, and to protect myself from being pulled into a world that constantly chases outward appearances. In a society where so much emphasis is placed on external beauty, modesty becomes an act of defiance. It is saying, I will not let society define me by my looks. Instead, I choose to let my inner character shine. That is purity of the soul. It is not only about how people see me, it is about how I see myself. When I wear the hijab, I hold myself to a higher standard. It is a reminder that my actions, my words, and even my thoughts should reflect modesty. It becomes a spiritual shield, helping me guard against arrogance, vanity, and the constant need for validation. Every morning when I put on my hijab, I am reminded that I am not dressing for the world, I am dressing for Allah. That reminder keeps my heart clean, my intentions pure, and my mind focused. There are times when people misunderstand and say, but modesty is in the heart, why do you need to cover? Yes, modesty begins in the heart, but it does not end there. Our actions reflect our inner state, just like honesty is in the heart, but also shows in speech. Modesty in the heart shows in how we present ourselves. The hijab is the physical expression of that inner modesty. It connects the purity within with the purity we project outwardly, and protection is a form of honor. When a woman covers, she is not erasing her beauty, she is elevating it, keeping it for the right time, the right people, and the right reasons. And that brings peace not just to the heart, but to the entire soul. So when I wear the hijab, I do it because it is my shield of modesty and my symbol of purity. It allows me to live with dignity, to walk with confidence, and to protect the treasure Allah has entrusted to me. And that is something I will always hold on to with pride. When I speak about the hijab, one of the most empowering aspects of it is the freedom it brings. Many people assume that covering is a restriction, but in truth, it liberates me in ways that are far deeper than what the eye can see. The hijab allows me to be valued for who I am, not for how I look. It gives me the freedom to be recognized by my intelligence, my character, my kindness, and my actions, rather than being reduced to physical appearance. In a world that constantly pressures women to compete with beauty standards, the hijab removes me from that race and gives me space to just be myself. There is power in knowing that when people interact with me, their attention is not drawn to my hair, my body, or my style, but to my words, my ideas, and my presence. That kind of empowerment cannot be bought with fashion, makeup, or social approval. It is a freedom that comes only from choosing to live on your own terms, aligned with your faith. The hijab for me is not a barrier, it is a bridge. It bridges the gap between how society wants to define me and how Allah has already honored me. When I wear it, I feel strong because I know I am not submitting to the endless cycle of trends. Every season brings new looks, new colors, new shapes, and people are trapped trying to keep up. But with hijab, I am free from that burden. My worth is not tied to the approval of others. My confidence does not depend on how many compliments I receive or how closely I resemble society's definition of beauty. My confidence comes from knowing that I am obeying Allah, and in that obedience lies true empowerment. But about choosing wisely, it is about taking control of your own narrative and refusing to let others dictate how you should be seen. For me, the hijab is exactly that. It is my choice, my declaration, my way of saying that I define my own dignity. And in that choice, I feel empowered like never before. It also protects me from being objectified. Too often, women are judged not by what they achieve, but by how they look. The hijab shields me from that shallow lens. It allows people to see beyond the surface and to recognize me for what truly matters. That is not oppression, that is freedom. The freedom to live as a soul, not just a body. So when I wear the hijab, I wear it with confidence and strength. It is not a symbol of restriction, but a symbol of empowerment. It gives me the freedom to rise above shallow standards, to focus on my inner worth, and to walk through this world with dignity and honor. And that is the kind of freedom I would never give up. Another reason I wear the hijab is because it offers me protection and invites respect. The hijab acts like a shield, a barrier between me and the outside world. It does not mean I am hiding or ashamed. Rather, it means I am choosing how I want to be approached and how I want to be valued. In a society where women are often objectified and judged primarily by their looks, the hijab sends a powerful message. I am not here to be reduced to physical features. I am here to be valued as a person with dignity, intelligence, and faith. The protection of hijab is not only physical, but also emotional and spiritual. When I cover, I feel safeguarded from unnecessary attention and pressure. It allows me to move through life with a sense of comfort, knowing that I am presenting myself in a way that earns respect. People do not simply look at me for how I appear. Instead, they are compelled to engage with my personality, my speech, and my character. That creates a space where I can be taken seriously for what I bring to the table, not just how I look sitting at it. And when respect comes through modesty, it is far more lasting than respect earned through beauty alone. Physical beauty fades, but character and faith remain. The hijab constantly reminds me that I do not need to seek validation through worldly standards. My respect is given to me by Allah, and when He honors a woman, no one can strip that honor away. At the same time, this protection gives me peace of mind. It allows me to walk with confidence in public spaces without feeling like I am being put on display. It shields me from the constant pressure to meet unrealistic expectations of appearance. Instead of feeling like I need to please the eyes of strangers, I know that I am pleasing Allah by following His guidance. That knowledge itself is the greatest form of security. For me, protection and respect go hand in hand. The hijab gives me the protection to move freely in a world that often objectifies women, and in doing so, it demands respect, not just from others, but also from myself. It is a constant reminder that I am worthy, valuable, and dignified, and so when I wear the hijab, I wear it with pride because it is both my shield and my crown, protecting me, elevating me, and ensuring that I am respected for who I truly am. One of the most beautiful reasons I wear the hijab is the spiritual peace and confidence it brings into my life. The moment I put it on, it feels like I am wrapping myself not only in fabric, but in faith, in trust, and in obedience to Allah. It becomes more than an outward covering. It becomes a reminder to my soul of who I am and what my purpose is. There is a certain tranquility that comes with knowing you are doing something purely for the sake of Allah, even when others may not understand it. That tranquility is what the hijab gives me every single day. When I step out wearing it, I feel protected, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. It reminds me to walk with humility, to speak with kindness, and to live with sincerity. It helps me carry myself in a way that reflects my values, and in doing so, it builds confidence. Many people think confidence is about showing more, being louder, or standing out in a crowd, but true confidence is quiet. It comes from knowing you are living in line with your principles. The hijab gives me that kind of confidence, the kind that comes from pleasing Allah above anyone else. It also brings peace to my heart because it constantly reminds me that my worth is not tied to worldly measures. I don't need to meet society's definition of beauty to feel valuable. My value is already established by Allah, who created me with purpose and honored me with faith. That realization removes so much anxiety, so much pressure, and replaces it with calmness. When my identity is rooted in faith, not fashion or approval, I am able to live more peacefully. But what it nurtures on the inside, it nurtures strength, self-respect, and a connection with Allah. And that connection is what gives peace greater than anything this world can offer. When I wear my hijab, I am reminded that Allah is with me, guiding me, protecting me, and accepting my small act of obedience as worship. Knowing this fills me with an inner calm that nothing else can provide. Confidence also grows because I know I am standing firm in my choice, even when it may not always be easy. Every day I wear it, I am choosing faith over trends, devotion over doubt, and obedience over convenience. That choice strengthens me from within, and with that strength comes confidence that cannot be shaken by criticism or misunderstanding. So when I wear the hijab, I wear it not just as a covering, but as a source of peace for my soul and strength for my heart. It gives me the confidence to walk in this world with dignity and the comfort of knowing that I am always under the care of Allah, and that is a gift I will never let go of.